'Tis the season, and that means good food, time with friends and loved ones, and KringleCon. That's right. In this week's episode, I'm going to be taking you through KringleCon, the OG virtual conference for cybersecurity professionals that has amazing capture the flag opportunities, great talks, and an overall just fantastic cybersecurity conference that you need to know about. Coming up. Happy holidays from SimplyCyber, the YouTube channel designed to help you make and take a cybersecurity career further, faster. If you're new here, on this channel we talk about everything cybersecurity, from interviewing with experts, talking about tools and labs, and how to develop yourself professionally, including using conferences. And that's what we're going to be driving all over today with KringleCon, the OG virtual cybersecurity conference long before COVID made it a thing. KringleCon's been bringing virtual cybersecurity conference every Christmas season for 3 years. This is the third year. And it's run by Ed Skoudis, and he's got a whole team of volunteers. It's really a massive effort that goes into this conference. Now, you access it by going to KringleCon.com, and you'll get an invite. You'll have to register and stuff like that. But once you get into it, you'll be dropped in here. You see my little Jerry Guy avatar. Now, what is KringleCon? KringleCon is a conference, right? And there are speakers and talk tracks, and they will be pre-recorded and put on YouTube. And I'll show a link to that in a moment. But you can basically go attend talks. Now, what's really cool is there's actually this virtual interface. So you're not just kind of going to a YouTube channel and watching something and maybe having some Discord chatter. No, you're actually kind of simulating that conference going experience. So you get LobbyCon, and you get the different tracks and stuff like that. Now, what's really fun about KringleCon is that there is a very, very overt, capture the flag element to the conference that's basically integrated into the entire experience. So you can see I've got my little Kool-Aid head Jerry Guy here. It's whatever HTML5 or whatever this interface is, but it's fully interactive, and you can see we've got the chat window over here. They've made some improvements over the years. Now they have a Discord channel, which I don't have open right now. It used to be just chatting in here with this group, but now there's a Discord channel, and they've got it broken out by different objectives in the capture the flag. So you can go. I was having trouble with one. I popped in. Kind of suggested where I was, not ruining the challenge for anyone, and then someone pulled me into a private message session and gave me a gentle nudge, and I was like, yes, and then I went off and did my own thing. So you can see all these people are attendees, right, and they all have their own kind of unique look and feel. This particular year, by the way, the capture the flag, it's not just challenges. There's a elaborate backstory to the whole thing. Like last year, I believe that there was a malicious elf or something that was trying to ruin Christmas, and you had to help Santa save everything. This year, I haven't really gotten into it too much, but basically the North Pole is going through some renovations. There's a castle, Santa's castle instead of the Santa's workshop. But you can see what's going on here. You can kind of talk and interact with the different people. So why would you want to go, right? Well, besides it being incredibly cool and fun and interesting and engaging, on the capture the flag things, you could actually learn something, right? So this unescaped TMUX, right? So I don't even know. I've never professionally worked with TMUX as a language or as a environment. But when you click on this, it launches a, so when you click on it, it pops up a terminal. Now this is a shell that's all in there, right? And we're using this language TMUX, which I am not familiar with. So, there's a cheat sheet that I had, and I'll probably throw a picture up here, but, I'm learning a little bit about a new technology, a new language. I solved 2 or 3 different capture the flags where it was things that I've never heard of, and I don't want to ruin it for anyone, but it's just a good exposure experience. Now, you can close this out. Now, as far as the talks go, you can see here's the objectives, the talks, right? Let's get into that. They have a wide variety. Ed kind of has the welcome speech at the beginning. Give that a shot. Check it out. He'll really explain what's going on in there. Then we have all sorts of things, right? So this is automotive hacking. This is Amazon S3 buckets, adversary emulation, kind of for blue teams, or, if you want to do that at your office, blockchain, HID, card hacking, so like RFID stuff. So you can see there's just like a really wide, diverse set of talks. It's not super narrow focused on one specific discipline within the industry. And obviously these speakers are, top tier, well-known professionals in the space. Looks like Jack Resider from Darknet Diaries is in here. That's really cool. So I haven't had a chance to get in there, but there's a talk for everybody is basically what I'm getting at. Now, so in addition to that, I tout on this channel that professional networking is paramount to your kind of shortcutting to get to success in the cybersecurity industry. And the Discord channel for this KringleCon is just fantastic. There's a lot of positive energy. There's a lot of people engaging, talking with each other. People, meeting, professional networking, becoming friends, whatever, working on challenges together. So I'd encourage you to check out the Discord and even if you're introverted, just you'll see the conversations. You might want to chime in. You might learn something, and it's really, really cool. So I don't want you to sleep on KringleCon. Take advantage of it. If you miss it this year because you're seeing this video after it's over, it's usually the month of December. Check it next year because Ed and his team get going really early. There's like a music soundtrack in the years past. There might be one this year. I haven't seen it yet, but there's a lot of work that goes into it, and it really, really shows. So much love to the Sands group, Ed, and all the people who've put in work into KringleCon this year. Thank you. All right. So no one cool thing this week. I just wanted to get KringleCon out there as soon as possible so you guys could take advantage of it while it was still present. All right. So have fun. I'll see you in KringleCon, and until next time, stay secure.